Well, been working to get this thing roadworthy, and all along the way nothing but headaches. I was looking forward to having disc brakes. That ain't happening. Barely any room. I don't know what they're thinking, how you're gonna put a disc brake on there, but at least I got the one in the back. And yeah, those spur gears there on the derailleur, I bought new ones. They didn't work. I don't know what the problem is. Getting the pedals off of my other bike was horrible. The road salt made them seized into the cranks, so I had to fight with those. Everything works good. Everything looks good except for my pedal assist, the most important thing. The electric guy ain't lighting up. Don't work. So, and this is a brand new one I just bought. Bought a new disc, and the disc, I actually had to use the old disc that I had already ground down to fit in between, because it don't fit. Didn't fit my other bike, so I had to grind it down, and it didn't fit this one, so I had to reuse the other one. So I'm gonna have to get the other one off of the other bike too and see if that's gonna work. It should work. It worked before. I don't know why this one don't work, but don't light up. Everything else works great. She's roadworthy. Now it's snowing. I should have put the snow tires on.